So today we're testing a theory. Yesterday was pretty well cough free. From 24/7 coughing, it's now gone down to predominantly in the mornings, and of late it's every other day really. Now the symptoms are at the moment I've got a wheeze. Yesterday I didn't have that. So if I'm correct, I'm going to start coughing. Now it could be because I'm getting up. I'm getting the feeling now because I'm starting to talk as well. So I'm not sure. So we'll just have to wait and see. So I got in here 5 minutes after I got up and the first coughing started. I apologise for the graphic nature, but I think it's best that you see it how it happened. Now, this generally goes on for about half an hour, so it's basically clearing the tubes, lungs, esophagus. I don't know, it's up to you. Excuse me. And so it continues for the last 10-15 minutes. But it gets less and less. So after a while it subsides. But all the time the voice is like this. Needless to say, it bloody well hurts. So we just have to keep persevering.
That's from them too. Yeah, there's 8 teams in there. The 8 teams that are all, playing with a lack of confidence, which is a terrible thing this time of the season. But I think that was a massive blow for Mick McCarthy. I know there are lots of callers coming into Talk Sport not happy with his team selection, etc. So I'd say at the moment you've got Portsmouth, you've got Wolves, but you're right out. Everyone else is picking up points. They're coming back to us as opposed to Sunderland, but you just try to, get people in the mix. But what we've got to do, we're outside of West Ham now, is just to, do our stuff. And if we're picking up, win every other game, I think that's going to be enough to keep people up. But at the moment, it's getting tight. I think the money's being spent. McCarthy looked quite lively. Migo, come on, give us a physical presence. So there are, a couple of additions to the team that are going to improve us, but it's all about confidence. And one thing I would say, Al, the West Ham fans at Upton Park, they'll stick with their team. I think that's going to be a massive contribution.
Al, when you mentioned there's a few additions, Mido's gone there, apparently £1,000 a week. Yeah. He'd come on at half time, does he only get 500 quid?
He always say when he's real,
Exactly. Welcome to the real world.
He's a young fella. I think all he does is he does it in the Premier League. And I had one player that Mike Corbin in my in spite of not in a long go, so the motivation's there for a minute.
Al, just a quick England's group, Montenegro, Wales, that's in trouble, Bulgaria, Switzerland.
It's now been an hour since I last coughed. Taking Jill to work, my wife. Sat on the motorway for the last 3/4 of an hour on the M6. Just about to go into work. And as you can hear, the voice is relatively normal at the moment. The hoarseness isn't there, but But the important thing is there's been no coughing. Used to be able to get out of the car now and the cold air had hit me and I'd start coughing again. But fortunately that's now over. So we just got to wait and see what happens during the course of the day. If I get involved in too many conversations, we'll have to wait and see. But fingers crossed we'll have a good day today. And then tonight I can go to the gym. It's now 1:45. I was in a meeting this morning for about an hour. Kept relatively quiet, so the voice isn't too bad. The intention now is at 4 or 5 o'clock I'll go and use the gym and the steam room. As expected, went to bed, normal voice. Woke up this morning. This is how it is. Not as bad as yesterday, but there's hardly any wheezing. So if we're lucky, we might get away with that normal coughing this morning, which follows the cycle that's now gone into. I've been up for half an hour now. Shave, brush my teeth, just put it in the shower, but still no cough. Voices, as it is now, so I try not to use it, because I think that'll aggravate the cough. So I'll try and avoid that. The cough started about 15 minutes ago when I came to leave the house. As I say, I've been fine up until then, but just walking up the stairs to get ready for work and the cough reflex started. Not as violently as it was yesterday, but still coughing, which is disappointing. Just bringing up smaller amounts of phlegm than yesterday. We'll just have to wait and see when I get to work. 3/4 of an hour later at the office. Stuck on the motorway for a little while, but nothing too bad. But during that time, not a single cough. The voice has improved, although still not exactly what I would like, but there you go. Go figure. Down to you guys. This is an interesting point. It's 3:45 in the afternoon, and about 15 minutes ago I was on the telephone with a conversation with somebody, and I swallowed, and it felt like a small midge had got stuck in my throat, and that started off the cough reflex. I don't think I did swallow a midge, but that's how it felt. So that's an unusual occurrence. Thought it worth noting. Thank you. Day 3 in the cycle, and we're back to coughing and bringing up phlegm. And finally then it's lunchtime. Haven't coughed since around 8:30 this morning. Voice is relatively normal, but as I say, tonight I'll go to bed and somebody will come and steal my voice. I'm going to the gym tonight, go in the steam room, But I hope that this has been helpful. As I say, I just want to get cured. Really is down to you guys now. Thank you very much.